we're just taking these downstairs now. Don't try to be a he-man and do it yourself. Get some help. Have somebody on both ends. One more to go. Yes, the next step is unboxing everything. And if you've never put one of these together, you better read the directions. All window systems and door systems are not created equal. So make sure you read the directions. Pull everything out, get it all set up, and screw it together. See, it looks like he's going to lay it all together out right here, put it together, and then put it in one setup. He's done this a few times, so I don't think he's going to be reading any directions today. He could probably put one of these in his sleep. Sometimes. You think he could put it in his sleep?
I think so.
You think so, huh? That's one cool drill. That's called an impact drill, I think. That helps you put the screws in. I think next time I get a drill, I might have to get one of those. And usually they have pre-drilled holes where the screws go, so read your directions, you'll see where they go. This is an Anderson system, and they're putting the flange on right now. Other door systems already have this flange on. They've designed it in such a manner to where once it fits in there, it'll be secure. This is a metal clad door frame. Wow, cool. Giving it a little convincing. tap, tap. That's how you do it.
Put it in front of the.
In front?
Yeah. Have that little overhang in front of the leg.
Yeah. Does your leg overlap on top too?
A little bit. You can cut it.
Alright.
You even or you overlap?
You know, I don't even. I'm not in though.
Yeah. Probably easier to hammer.
There it is. I'm in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doing a little modification here.
I'm gonna bend it back, but you don't have to go all the way.
Oh brother, they got the screen door here, and the reason why the screen door is here, we're gonna save that because there's another door downstairs and it has a screen on it just like that one. So, and I measured it to see if it would fit, and sure enough it will fit. See way over there, way down there, there's another sliding glass door unit, and it has a screen on it. Now I checked that screen and it looks to be good, but if it wasn't good, let's say you could swap out screen doors. Even though both of them are fine, she's got an area down below the house. I'm going to store that for them instead of having the door company take it with them. Remember that.